if I tell you that in 2025, thousands of people are already making their first $100 online? These people don't even have huge amount of money to invest in themselves. They don't even have a pro experience, no technical skills. All they have was just their smartphone and data, and they were able to make their first $100 online. Now, the question is, if these people can do it, why not you? Today, I'm going to break down step by step how a complete beginner can make their first $100. No fluffing, no confusing jargons, just a clear roadmap that works. Stay with me to the end because I will also share the mistake beginners make that stop them from ever seeing results. Now, this is what I want you to understand. I want you to understand that you making your first $100 online is good, but it's not about the money. It's about you having a proof that the internet can pay you. Proof that you can actually turn your time, your skill, or even just your smartphone into a passive income stream. That's your first $100 will help you to unlock that confidence, that momentum, that belief that you can do better, that you can actually scale it up to $500, $1,000, or even $10,000 a month. Before I show you the step-by-step method, let me explain to you these three key principles that every beginner must understand before starting. The first key principle is to pick one model, stick to it, and don't chase 10 opportunities at the same time. Do you know why? This is the reason why. Once you start, a lot of opportunity will definitely pop up, and that is the distraction. And as a beginner, if you end up jumping on every opportunity that you see, you will end up losing focus and end up being a victim. And that is where the idea of it doesn't work come from, forgetting that it was your lack of focus that led you to that situation. So therefore, as a beginner, focus on one at a time. Second key principle is value over quick money. People have one or two problems that they are looking for solutions. So the more solution you bring online, the more money you keep packing. So don't just chase the hack. You know I don't keep anything on this channel, so I must tell you what must work. The third key principle is consistency and patience. Most people quit after 2 weeks of trying, but winners stick through the process. Now, let's step into the actual step-by-step method you can use to hit your first $100 online. I will split this section into three proven beginner-friendly methods. Method 1 is freelancing. For those of you who already have skills, this is your chance to start earning daily. Skills like writing, virtual assistant, social media, graphic design, voiceover. If you have any of these skills, then this is your chance to start earning consistently. These are the step-by-step proven ways to start. Choose a simple service like graphic design and use Canva to create your logo. Then create a free profile and post your gig. What you need is to deliver good quality and always ask for your customer review. Then the platform to use is Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelance. Once you create a good profile on any of these platforms, your success is just by the corner. Just try to deliver good quality. Now, imagine you charging $20 for each logo. 5 clients has given you your first $100 instantly, even as a total beginner. And if you are using platform like Canva to do your work, it makes it easier for you. Now, the secret to your massive sales depends on how you position your service. Method 2 is affiliate marketing. My always go to when I'm in need of quick money. With affiliate marketing, you can be making a lot of good money by simply helping companies to promote their products. All you need is a platform like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Seller, but the one I'm using currently is Seller because their payment system is very fast. These are the step-by-step way to start with this affiliate marketing system. Sign up for affiliate program. Pick a product that solves problem. Product like ebook, online course, or physical product. Then share your link on platform like Facebook, TikTok for more visibility. If you want a quick guide on affiliate marketing, then drop it at the comment section. Now, let's say you promote a product that is being sold for $50 and the commission is 50%. That is $25 per each sales. Now, only 4 sales will give you your first $100 instantly, even as a total beginner. To start earning with this business, you don't need to create your own products. All you need is to recommend, and in the world of social media today, only your smartphone is enough for you to reach out to millions of people who will be willing to patronize you. Method 3 is selling digital product. This method allows you to earn by packaging what you already know, and the product can be either ebook, mini course, or templates. These are step-by-step way to earn with this method. Pick a topic that you know or can do research on and create a short guide or a template and sell it via Gumroad, Seller, WhatsApp, or even on social media. Let's say you create 10 easy recipe for busy mom and you are able to sell it for $10. Just sell it to 10 people and your first $100 has arrived successfully. The beauty of digital product is you can create it once and keep earning from it over and over again. But the common mistake beginners used to make is quitting too early, jumping from one method to another method and not reinvesting in themselves. If you are able to avoid this mistake, you will hit your first $100 very faster than those who scattered their focus. Now let's recap. You can make your first $100 online as a total beginner through freelancing, affiliate marketing, or digital marketing. So start simple. Focus on one model and give yourself permission to learn and keep growing. If you find value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop your comment telling me which method you would like to start with. And if you want me to break down exactly how you can set up your first affiliate marketing business in detail, drop it in the comment section. Remember, your first $100 online is the beginning. So see you in the next video.